Hello friends, let's looking on Lightning McQueen cars in Disney Pixar toys. Press like, let's go. First, oh yeah, it's Frightening McQueen. Cool, haha, nice.
Tagger it. Tagger it. Tagger it. Hey!
Next, oh wow, it's Frank. Nice, haha, cool. Next, oh yeah, it's Global Racer Cup Francesco Bernoulli. Yeah, nice. Next, wow, Golden Lightning McQueen. Yeah, cool.
Look alive! Reflexes are the first thing to go! Ah! Oh. Ah!
Next, oh yeah, it's Dynaka King. Cool, haha, nice.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man!
Next, wow, it's Cave Lightning McQueen from Cars on the Road. Cool. Next, oh yeah, it's Lightning McQueen Deputy Hazard. Cool, haha, nice.
Как холодно! Простите.
Еще раз. Еще.
Next, oh yeah, it's Lightning McQueen with racing wheels. Yeah, cool. Next, oh wow, Tumbleweed Lightning McQueen. Yeah, cool. Next, oh yeah, it's Silver Lightning McQueen. Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah? Well, good riddance, you loony.
Hey, I hate to break up the road rally, guys.
Next, oh yeah, it's Miss Fritter. Next, oh wow, it's Fire Truck Red.
Now help me wash this off.
Where's he going?
Oh, easy.
Nice, cool. Okay, who's next? Oh nice, it's Sally. Yeah, cool. Next, wow, Space Creature Lightning McQueen. Yeah, nice.
Ради миссии, которую вы сочтете неприятной.
Next, oh yeah, it's Mater's Greater. Cool, haha, yeah.
I just done. Fire! Whoa!
Next, oh nice, it's Global Racer Cup Cruz Ramirez. Nice, haha, yeah. Next, wow, Road Rumbler Lightning McQueen. Yeah, cool. Next, oh yeah, Global Racer Cup Lightning McQueen. Cool, haha, nice. Next, oh yeah, it's Dynaka Chick Hicks. Nice, haha, cool. Next, oh wow, it's Off-Road Lightning McQueen. Yeah, nice. Next, oh yeah, it's Greater Lightning McQueen. Yeah, cool.
All right, Dan. Get her done.
Next, wow, it's Cruz Ramirez's Francis Beltline. Cool, haha, nice. Next, oh yeah, it's Tormentor. Yeah, cool. Next, oh wow, it's Big Lightning McQueen. Cool, haha, yeah. Nice.
When I see something that I don't like, I gotta say.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Cars on the Road like McQueen. Nice, haha, yeah. Next. Oh wow, it's Drift Party Mater. Yeah, cool.
Ik kom uit Radiator Springs.
Next. Wow, it's Doc Hudson. Cool, haha, nice. Next. Oh yeah, it's Global Racer Cup Jackson Storm. Cool, haha, yeah. Next. Wow, Cave Mater. Nice, haha, cool. Next. Oh wow, it's Dragon Lightning McQueen. Nice, haha, yeah. Next. Wow, it's Mater with head. Yeah, cool.
Morning, Sleeping Beauty.
Next. Oh wow, it's Tow Mater. Cool, haha, nice.
You and me.
Good evening. Oh, my name is Mater.
Next. Oh yeah, it's Dynaka Lightning McQueen. Nice, haha, cool. Next. Wow, Black Lightning McQueen. Yeah, nice. Okay, last one. Oh yeah, it's Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen from Cars on the Road. Cool.